Hi, I'm Dr. Zach Zarbach, father of 4, founder of Zarbees, and full-time practicing pediatrician. I wanted something to recommend that I could feel good about. We use simple, high-quality ingredients that are inspired by nature and backed by rigorous, evidence-based science. Ingredients like grade A dark honey, elderberry, and ivy leaf, which have been studied for safety and efficacy. And of course, we leave out drugs, toxins, and unwanted additives. And while my own roots are in pediatrics, today we offer health and wellness solutions for the whole family across many areas of care. Everyone needs a little extra support now and then.